How to turn off Gmail notification. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down and click on Settings. Once you're here, you will have two options. The first one is to click on any Gmail account and then scroll down to the notifications section and click on Manage Notifications, where you will be able to turn off the notifications of that specific account. The second option is to click on General Settings and then click on Manage Notifications, where you will be redirected to this page in which you will be able to turn off the notifications for all of the Gmail app at once, or also you can turn off the notifications for some Gmail accounts while leaving the others on. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the notifications on Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.